guys, so in this video we're going to be talking about tense in ASL. Now, we just learned recently how to say the time with a sign, and that would tell you if you're talking about the future or the past or the present. What about with tenses for other words? For example, yesterday I had to do this, or tomorrow I have to do this. How do we vary words like that in ASL to show the tense? Well, actually, we don't. We do not have individual differences for signs to show the tense. It's the same sign. All you do is add a time sign, and that tells you the tense. For example, the sign for go. Go, go. You could say, today I go to math class. If you want to say it in the past tense, for example, I went to math class, all you have to do is add a past sign. So you could say, yesterday I go to math class. And then that changes the word to be past. So I went in English. I went to math class. Or you could say, last week I go to math class, and it still is past tense, even though the base sign we're using is the same. You could use it future tense. You could say, tomorrow I'm going to math class. So then, again, this base sign, we're still using the same sign for go, but since we added the sign for tomorrow, you know it's in the future. Tomorrow, I'm going to math class. Now this doesn't just apply to the sign for go, it applies to all the other signs that have in English a past, present, and future tense. Then in English we change it. In ASL it's the same sign, we just add a time sign somewhere in the sentence that lets the person you're talking to know, okay, she's talking about the past, the present, or the future. So that actually makes it a lot easier, I think, because as long as you know your time signs and you know the signs that you're learning, then you don't have to think, okay, there's this sign which means the present tense of this word, there's a different sign for the future tense of the word, and a different sign for the past tense of the word, like we have in English, which is more complicated. This, with ASL, it's more simple. The same sign you're using for past, present, and future, it's all the same sign. You just add a time sign to the sentence, and then that changes the tense. Love that. But that is how you do tense in ASL, and that is all for this video. I will see you in the next one.